Hi friends, today's session is how to solve these kind of questions in examinations. Okay, so this question is asked as title suggests. This question is asked in SSC exam in 2004. Okay, so the logic is in this is very simple. Okay, so they given this question and asked these four options. So we have to pick one of them. Okay, so my approach to solve this question is very simple. So and it is very easy to do. So don't complicate the easy thing. So just use the one algebraic formula. So then you will able to solve this question very easily. Okay, so in numerator we have 10.33 times, so I'm writing it as 10.33 times, so I'm writing it as 10.3 whole cube. Okay, so after that and again plus 1 we have, so I'm writing 1 as 1 cube. So writing 1 as 1 cube, it may not change, right? So plus 1 cube. Okay, by next, so 10.3 in the denominator 2 times, I'm writing it as directly 10.3 whole square. And after that we have still minus 10.3, so up I'm writing here minus 10.3, and I'm writing in the denominator 1 as 1 into 1 square. So writing denominator 1 as 1 into 1 square, it may not change, right? So writing this as 1 into 1 square. Okay, so hope you understand. So in 1 into 1 square, write it as 10.3 into 1 plus 1. Okay, hope you all clear with this step. So now it is in the form of one expression, so like a cube plus b cube by a square minus a b plus 1. So it is in the form of a cube plus b cube by a square minus ab plus 1. So if we have expression in this form, so directly we can write it as a plus b. So here a is going to be 10.3 and b is going to be 1. So answer is going to be 10.3 plus 1. So answer is going to be 11.3. So option is third option. Okay, so hope you all followed this beautiful trick. And solving, if you want to solve any kind of problems, these kind of problems in examination, so use these kind of tricks in examination. So don't complicate things, you use easy things, then it is very easy to solve these kind of questions. So hope you all enjoyed this session. And if you are new visitor to Maths Logic Creator, subscribe and hit bell icon for further updates. Thank you.